Hi, this is John Blyler, Editorial Director at Extension Media, Chip Design Magazine, and author of IP Insider for ChipEstimate.com. I'm here at SEMICON West 2012, and I have the pleasure of talking to Karen Lightman, Managing Director for the MEMS Industry Group. Karen, MEMS really seem to be coming into their own now. What can you tell us about directions, trends, interesting applications?
Well, it's really exciting. I mean, last year our theme was MEMS in the mainstream, and then this year it's MEMS is in the mainstream. And so what's next? And so we're taking on topics about MEMS commercialization, and what I'm talking about is MEMS isn't really new, but what we're talking about is the adoption of MEMS, the challenges of MEMS, talking about, maybe it's not the sexy things, the flashy, sexy things, but the hard things like the packaging and the testing and standardization. We need to talk about some of those challenges as well. But then there are those sexy, exciting things that are about MEMS.
Tell us more.
Yeah, like there's, quality of life enabling technologies. I'm really excited about those Google glasses. And I know, those things when they skydived into Moscone just a few weeks ago at the Google I/O conference. And I know there's a lot of MEMS in there. In fact, I feel like I helped play a tiny little role in helping that MEMS get inside those. So? Well, I can't tell because then I'd have to kill you later. But it's an exciting story that someday I might be able to tell you. But it's an exciting time, and I feel like Apple, how we can say that the MEMS is more mainstream because there's so many everything, and there's MEMS in so many Apple products. I think we'll even see more MEMS inside products with Google, taking on with their tablet, with the Google glasses, and really helping quality of life enabled by MEMS. So it's going to be helping people have independent lives, having having a person with Alzheimer's have a more independent life, helping caregivers take care of elderly parents, having parents imagine with a lot of this study of helmets and
IMEC was showing several of those.
It's really wild. Yes. And in terms of I'm forgetting the word right now, but with concussion studies. And the NIH, actually Analog Devices did some really great work on concussion studies, and it's all MEMS related. Okay. And soon there's going to be technology where a mom can be on the sidelines and watching her son playing, pee-wee football, and she'll be able to in real time see, that hit that he just had. Is that a real concussion-worthy hit that needs to go to Children's Hospital and get studied by a doctor, or is that just, son, you're fine, get back in the game, stop your whining, and get back out there, you're fine. Okay. Those kinds of things that are really going to improve our quality of life, those are all going to be enabled and are enabled by MEMS. So like our theme it's like MEMS is in the mainstream, what's next, what now, and what are the challenges that we need to address as an organization, a MEMS industry group, which represents that whole ecosystem of the MEMS supply chain. So it's the device manufacturers, so it's the guys that make that chip, and then it's the equipment suppliers. So it's the folks that have the equipment that makes the chip.
It's the ecosystem,
right? And then it's the foundries that buy the equipment that makes the chip, and then it's the wafers, and it's the the other materials. Exactly, and the design, and then you have to think about the industrial design. You have to think about the human, right? That's going to wear that device. So it's that whole ecosystem, and I'm really proud of the fact that. If you would pan to the left, which you can't right now, we have over 140 members and companies. To your left is a sign, but you can't pan, of all our member companies that are worldwide, and they're all in that MEMS ecosystem. So it's an exciting time.
Excellent.
Thanks for coming by.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.